If the wind refuses to serve, don't hesitate to take to the wax. To get Oga Pata in the house, give it up. Something enjoyment landlord. Some they call on wine, no? Some they call on different names, but I address him as MC Alama Hero.
Tazin! What? What of ordinary iPhone 12? Seven guinea. What?
Not be juju be that.
What of iPhone 8? Chai! What? What of iPhone 2?
Chai! Oh, why no?
Senior.
So how true is that? Whenever we address you as an wine, no, how do you feel?
Why na senior man? I be senior man.
But does it have anything to do with your dossier?
Not really get anything to do because a typical is a man.
Okay.
When they see person, they senior.
Okay.
When they see person senior, then they call on wine.
Okay.
So nowadays, normal language, they say, Baba, I greet you. You know me say the person senior you.
Okay.
So you call me on wine, no, now recently, now not even me say you senior me or I senior you.
Okay.
So the wine, no, I just not be the seniority give me. So now online content. Now give me that wine when make you call me say just identify say wine no you know say this guy na Isan guy. Wine no
Deeply you are read from Isan?
Yes no. We are back Pataki.
So where to be precise?
I come from Uromi now.
Okay.
Yeah. So for come. Uromi Isan that is a northeast part of Edo State.
You know, see, a lot of people do when they say they be from Isan, when they say, okay, now, or they were born and brought up here in Benin, but at least they know they forget that root as a result of where they came from. So how can we describe you?
Actually, I was born and brought up in Uromi. Though I didn't grow in one place. I not grew up for one place.
Okay.
I grew up for Isan, grew up for my mom's town, grew up for Wari, grew up for Lagos, grew up for Benin. So collective growth. So now we take ratio with this. So, and talking about that ISA content, not because I grew up for there or anything. I thought you know say we have for grow many.
Yeah.
So the thing is just that you see this trace to your roots matters a lot. You know, we just sit down think and say, okay, what can we do to make people remind them where they are from.
Okay.
You understand? There are a lot of people that speak Yoruba on Instagram with their content. They have millions of followers. Because people want to listen to them, especially people that does not stay in Yoruba land again. People that have been to Yoruba for over 20, 30 years, they have not been to Yoruba land. They love listening to the language. People that have not even been there before, they were born outside Nigeria. And they told them that they are from so place. When they see somebody speaking such language, they will learn from there. You understand? So that's the reason why you see us most of our content, we use our language. I say sign language because we want people to remember their root. We don't want them to forget their root. This is where you are from. So we have the media, as we have the media strength, the media platform. We need to use it to tell our people that not forget where you from come. Ono Jerez Uruai or you were who knows sabi speak a language, you don't forget us.
Okay.
You join with him make a sense most times we just do our language content because people also identify with their own. So we also want our own people to identify with us. Like my own people to identify with me in that if Yoruba can do this, Igbo can do this, Hausa can do it, Isa, Benin can do it, Isa can also do it. You understand? So that we have somebody to call their own. This guy na Yoruba guy, you're in a comedian. This guy na Igbo guy na comedian. So I look, I search, I say, they never really point one Isan guy. Say, this guy na Isan guy, you, but na comedian. Even most of them will be comedian, be Isan. Then they go identify because of the minority of the language spoken. You understand? So we say no. You know, guys, it be, no guys, it be pass. We are involved in this. Let's do it. Let's make our people proud. Let's tell them that Isan can do it. Let's put Isan on the map of entertainment. Now we reach here with this.
Oh, why to me?
Why again?
All right, we go on a break.
There is only one place where you can get super delivery of all your goods and services, and that is Iwinosa Continental Cargo. Iwinosa Continental Cargo is a courier service that takes your good all the way from Nigeria, Benin City, Edo State to Manchester, UK. Iwinosa Continental Cargo are into sales of African food items like yam, gari, ehebewarie, ogi, ogbono, red oil, etc., etc. What are you waiting for? Hurry now to our UK address at Manchester, UK, M4009WT236, Munston Lane, almost opposite the post office. Telephone number +44 75 18 28 98 41 or +44 74 24 50 24 30. Our goods submission point is located at number 5 Aburume Street, Shop 7B, Platinum Line, Edegbe Plaza, off New Lagos Road, New Benin Market, back of First Bank, Benin City, Edo State. Telephone number +234 703 3307 514 or +234 9050 905230. Also, number 93 Forestry Road after James Watt Junction. Telephone number +234 7033 15454 or +234 9050 829388. Also, number 2 Ogida Park beside Police Station opposite Vegas, Benin City, Edo State. Telephone number +234 8103 67 5928 or +234 705 02 13 632. Also, number 16 Akpabo Shopping Complex, Shop C30, opposite Urban Market, Benin City, Edo State. Telephone number +234 70 52 60 1088 or +234 70 38 78 6411. Iwinosa Continental Cargo, an unprecedented way to send your goods and services to your loved one.
What after Alamano? We heard of Alamano, Enjoyment Landlord.
I real name na Solomon.
Okay.
Okosun.
Who does not quite know? You say you grew for many places. You not be MTN before. How only one person will grow for Warri, only one person grew for Lagos, only one person grew for Asaba.
You know, say, now also they make person speak language when not be young. You understand? Not be say you get what they enjoy for the language. Not be say you get the food when the language one give them. But now hustling, now work, now food, make person they speak language when not be young. So most of our people when be say, Obi Hausa na go dey learn Yoruba, or Obi Calabar go dey learn Hausa. Na hustling. So all these places when you say for growth, so the thing is just that when you have your family people around, everybody wants to be around there. You understand? Where they come, let me take you, come this way, come this way. That's what they be now. Some of them are hustling carriers go that place. Some of them are for normal family matter now. Okay. We just stay here. Okay, we dey go here. Papa dey here, Mama dey here, brother dey here. Sister there, I be the waka.
Now, if you want to trace Alamano, where Alamano for go primary school?
Primary school.
Or you be the type where attend nursery.
During our time, they say nursery school na Popo Gari that they see now.
Okay.
Popo Gari, don't go Popo Gari, go Popo Gari before come again. Another this person I mention for you, so I don't go primary school for all this area. You understand? Because normally when pikin dey grow now, you go even for that or reserve, you go bad now. Now we go afternoon session. That time we go there. We do afternoon session. For my mom's side too, we go there. Now really go for Warri. We go second. I go second. We go primary school for Warri now. You understand? For that is we go school around this area. As we been as a child when we were growing up now, they must make sure say you go school now. So anywhere you are carried, anything that make you spend past 1 month or say this pikin just dey house. They need to put it for school before they go say na me make you not know anything for life. You understand? Mm-hmm. That's what the matter be.
So was it that you lost your parents at a tender age, or they were not that capable, financially strong to take care of you?
No.
Okay.
I no lost my parents. But you know, say, get one pikin go dey grow.
Okay.
You get the time when you go reach. You go do holiday for your mama day.
Okay.
You get the time you go reach, you dey with your papa, you go school there.
Okay.
You still get holiday when you go do for your sister place.
Okay.
And so the waka be.
So from what you said, you go do holiday for where your father dey. You go do, it's like, okay,
If you
your
teach
father,
am,
are
at
they
times you
still...
just say, okay, this holiday when you do your so the just from there keep you.
Okay.
If you not come back, so you start school here first.
Okay.
Never go back.
Okay. Is it that you came from a family that was, kind of tough as a result of mama not deal with papa again? Was that the situation?
So it be.
So finally, after you don't pass all those areas now, why you can't decide to settle for Benin? So what's so special about Benin?
You see, this entertainment business, it just be like, if you want to do business, first of all, your first thing when they put in place now your location. You understand? We started in Lagos, but come here for Lagos, we know that we are not ready for that market as at then. We're not ready for that market as at then because the things Lagos market required, we are not having it as at then. So we have to come back to where near house. That is Benin. When we do easy to start up. You understand? Because what we have it then, I sang a song then, Figoli. I said, okay, this song, like this. Oh yeah, nah, it was raining. Then this song was involved. The song went viral, even without social media then. So from there, we know that though the year for Lagos small, and small few people for that side. But for this area, like Edo here, a lot of people have heard this song. I can say, okay, for me to date here and where my demand for high, day here, you know, work, let me come back here. Now they come, Benin here, come settle. When I just finished my school that time, I was Tripoli. I said, okay, more just come Benin here, settle then. More at least, not go hard again. People don't really know, say, no, they never know, so we be comedian. But as that, there is that music, no, so more is that music, they follow, so that we match up. Before you know, God can do an a very short period of time.
Everywhere. Okay, just like Benin usually say, I wear Otario. You made mention of a song, a particular song. You made mention of comedy.
Yeah.
And recently now, because they see you, they do something like skit, movie. So how can we describe Alamano?
I'm a comedian. The thing is just that.
So what it come make you dabble into music at some point?
Because as at then, you need to. We're trying all things we know how to do. Like I was like, okay, I can dance, I can sing, I do comedy, I do MC. So the MC of comedy was bringing food to the table. Now we take go school for Tripoli now. Was bringing food to the table. Then we say, okay, we just just trying. It was a fluke. Just go studio, your record. We don't put the record. Say, man, time this small thing. They move your go studio, move your record. We your record one, record two. Even that song go viral was the last song. I was having an album then now. Yes, I have an album, 2 albums. We was okay. It was the last song I recorded. That's okay. Man, you still record this one with Esan language. I don't do many English. Man, you still do this one with Esan language to relate to my Esan people. As I just record that with Esan people, I just send a give person for phone. Send a give this one for phone. Before you know,
don't go back.
You know. Then the way they carry those artists now they do show, you just stand one person. That's what they carry us that time now. Say, this guy wants to sing this song. So that's the reason why you see now we have someone like me. I have a grassroots fan, not just social media. Original fan. When we say they know, a lot of them not do social media because of that song. And we started the entertainment earlier on for school environment and where people for know us. So especially that song gave us grassroots followers. And when we constantly do MC for different beer parlor, do for Wabuchi, do for Benin, for a lot of bars for Benin here, even for Lagos, Ritalore then, this, what they call it, another bar again, but that then, that they tell you those kind of 208 that time. So people did then when know us. A lot of people, they don't even miss us or social media. Most of the people don't even remember our handles. You understand? Not until they start to see us now. So we get grassroots original fan. I was born with it.
Original one.
They born me born with it now. That time we this small now, our elder brother they call us. They say, "Mo come make one old man when they have a backyard. When they leap leg, so call they leap the leg now. They call the laugh. So from there, different things. Maybe if we go watch one movie finish now. Now me let me go see. Remember the comedy aspect of it. I call the talk. Everybody call the laugh. So it's mostly like that. Real comedians they always come like that, and some people still dey learn am.
How can you describe the comedy industry in Edo State compared to that of Lagos?
Presently now, we go tell you say e don even easy for Benin now pass Lagos.
Really?
Yes, so e don easy because of this comedy skit.
Okay.
It's easy because a lot of Benin comedians are really working hard to make sure they match up because the competition is high. So everybody want to go into with other people they go into and make them know them. In Lagos, it's not like that, man. People are far from each other. There is no much competition like that in Lagos. Though there are a lot of comedians in Lagos. If I say no much competition like that, man, you see, the era of comedy, say they must watch it for a while, like before you blow. They must watch it for Natural Talent before you blow. It don't pass. They must watch it for social media now before you blow. So people don't already quick their blow for Lagos. Now they still they enjoy them. Maybe without say they know they do those comedy video and all that. When they quick their blow, they still they enjoy them because they still they get jobs. They still they get events. So others, whenever they get events, when going to comedy skit, they still they get. The difference between now Benin and Lagos is the paycheck.
Okay.
Because I would say they pay
them
higher than this side, and as it's supposed to be because the market did there.
Okay.
You understand? An opportunity.
Okay.
There are a lot of opportunities in Lagos. You understand?
He did
to meet multinational company because the whole head are there. Now there the market. If they want to do anything, say that you must go there. Even here, say anything we want to do here, you don't consign any big company. They must refer to that place. Except the head there. You understand? So they have opportunity to meet brands. There are lots of thousands of brands in Lagos. Thousands of medias in here. Bloggers in Lagos. Small boy for street where you go forward back for Lagos. If you check your blog spots, you go see now. You understand? Small boy if you just make you go viral, no for Lagos if you just waka me town. I don't know whether you understand me. So a lot of people who go into different things, they Lagos. So there, the market there. But social media make it easy for us in Benin here. We no longer need to go to Lagos. Before, we must go Lagos to blow. So we don't need to go to Lagos again. So Lagos, they wash us from Benin here.
They wash us
from Lagos. So what we want us to go do for there? And they okay with what they get. We see they get job for the same Lagos. They work thousands of comedian and MC full. Where they don't say this one day to call, we'll see go there, we'll do MC, we'll see go there, we'll do show, we'll see come back. We will see invite them to Monaco, we'll see show them love, we'll see do them. So the thing they go well. Thank God for social media. So now the difference when you're there, because even we, then they regard us because of the hard work when they put in. Because a lot of them was not trained that way for the first time. This everyday uploading, they can't, a lot of them, except the new ones when grow themselves up like that. So a lot of them don't do it. And the ones when grow themselves up like that, you understand? You see them now, they get very better recognition in Lagos. Uploading of video skit, comedy skit, and they are not even comedians. So many of them, they are not stand-up comedians when they do those skits. The stand-up comedians, then when they inside, not many. So now you tell us, say, we went there in a year. 99% of us when they do those comedy videos online will be stand-up comedian. Okay. So you see and say you get what they take pass us, you get what we take pass them. Okay. And then they still regard us for that one say this guy just walk
So but if you want to trace Alamanu down when you started, this profession, officially, so like which year ago do you observe?
That should be like if I have to go back, different type now. That's like 20 years ago. That's 2000.
You started.
Yes, now I started performing as at that time now, 2000, okay. The year 2000, yeah.
So when you discovered the light, like when you came to Limelight?
Come Limelight now, when we did this now, like those kind of 207. You know, so if they want to show you love, they want to show you love now from your area. I was then in my time in Auchipoli now, I was the most popular comedian. You understand? Okay. Now we notice here, this celebrity like, cause they get a lot of things for free. This one invite you here, you spearhead show, you understand, you headline show for school then, you know. Now we notice them now. Then because okay for social media presence, okay, normally for Nigeria like that should be like 5 years ago. That's 2015.
You have a mentor?
A
mentor?
My brother, I God with my mentor. You see, the way this life come be now, when you will say be your mentor, if you go along the line, if you not say and say go, they go away from what you made like him before. So I will tell you that as I did so, now God not my mentor, because before going to all those things, you always thank God first. Okay.
So who are your friends in the industry, sir?
Industry?
Yeah. The comedy industry.
The comedy industry?
Yeah, here in Benin.
As far as you are a comedian, and in Benin, all of us are friends. So.
Don't forget to subscribe, and we should always learn how to share, and you will thank me later. Shakara Mama.
Don't leave the era of beer parlors now.
Now what for you?
Like, because we still have some, big names here. They still they go some,
that one not be what they do now. Just comedy night.
Okay.
Not be say you.
So now when
we they do beer parlor on Monday to Sunday.
Oh, every day.
Now they do beer parlor for this Benin, and I'll let me do one Monday to Sunday. Then for my time, Monday to Sunday. Every day for 5 years, 5 months. You did it. They don't say the place now.
The records are.
And what the records are there. I go and find out Sunday. I come up for stage 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning.
Every day.
Or Sunday, especially on Sunday show, when they call my Roro show that time, and they come up on stage 3, 2, at least if I don't hold the crowd. The next day morning, now they tell you so, they perform, they do all those things there. Admirating makers now you give us better recognition that time. And when we say anybody when enter beneath, you never go out, sometimes you never go out.
You did a show then. Roro show.
Yeah.
So, but for some time now, we not come to see something like that.
It's rebranding, we're rebranding it. You see, when building a brand,
okay,
it takes a lot of selflessness in building a brand. So, you see, when you show championship, you don't entertainment is you monitor them as they grow. You not do again, not missing money, no day or anything. No, they need to take your time and watch.
Yeah. Work out.
You work out. You understand? If you do first show now lesson, the second one na target. You understand? You learn from first one, second one na target. If you don't meet up with your target, stand good at your drawing board. Then re-strategize again. Say, okay, see what I want to do. If it take it 2 years to plan for the next year, plan.
Provided me get
one, may you get what you want. May you get the audience when you want. Then may you get everything when you want. Get why you go grow rich. Not be all sure you fit do now.
Yeah.
You know understand? So that boiled down to that comedy aspect of it. It's just a comedy night, whereby you create a meeting point after online. So your fans go physically watch you. Say yes, you perform. Give them live performance. Yes, now. And they will pay now past then. This is about then I said that. Now when they don't know, say you not be small picking. And they want to invite you, they say, okay, call the airports do this thing, maybe every Friday, once in a month, like that. You just go there, go to invite your fans, invite your people, entertain people, and rest when you get a chance.
Bro, you see, there's one thing people can easily describe you with these days. And that's your, philanthropical deeds. random acts of kindness and all. So some say you be benefactor. So you go out there, helping people.
Actually, it was not easy while growing up. So that's for that. Not just that. I found out that everybody cannot be a pastor, everybody cannot be a priest, everybody cannot be man of God, cannot be evangelist, everybody cannot be preacher along the streets praying for the kingdom of God is around. So I feel with my own social media strength and my platform, best way for me to do this evangelical work is preaching the good news of giving.
Okay.
You understand? So that's how you see we do what we do. We don't have money to do it, but we have people that are following us that we can talk to, help us help people. You understand? We will do our own by helping people. Then other people will also join hands in giving help, because there are still a lot of people that really want to help. They don't know how to go about it. You understand? So that's the reason why we are doing that. Because of God. For us to do God work first. And because they do God work. So you see this alms giving most times. And they make God forgive person's sin at times. And I make them busy. And no matter, you must not give person, help me go give them. Around you, any idea, after this guy, you say this guy in need, do one for him. Like that. Just go around. So that's why we take our leisure time out to do this work. Feed the orphans, give to the orphans, remove children from the streets, and help the aged people in rural area. That's all my foundation is all about.
Is anything we get advantage, they get disadvantage? So now let's discuss the demerit aspect of it. People can't see him as a source of your income. So what's your take on that?
You see, now so it be. You see, I always tell people the bad ones as well as they know the good ones. You understand? Yeah. And if it's like you are not, if you are watching it closely, you will know that everything I do, my own aspect of giving, there is a video to the effect.
Yeah.
You understand? So if like we have, I built house for one woman. We started from this. I want more dance like that. When we renovate, if you think we renovate it, it's like we will build. I built the house from scratch with donation from people. They were seeing it while the house was going, from beginning to paint, from foundation to paint. You understand? Now people, somebody that ever instigated me to start that project did not bring one error. He only bring the first money we gave to that woman. I just look and say, yeah, this building of house is not easy. That money they pass and money no God bless you, go start this thing now. Now just God. And if people they look towards that way, not be their fault. Say as they give you, you remove something like that because they don't see people doing it before. And some of them don't do it before. You understand, sir? But my own foundation not be like that. Because one, not be that money.
Okay.
Go just give me what I want. I be entertainer. I need to drive flashing cars. You get things when I need to do as an entertainer. You understand, so? And I do them. For like how many months now, I take break. We never do this charity work. This is the reason why I don't do it all the time. Because anything when you do too much, you will call be like, say, nah, dear you for the chop. And people they message that Alpha, this thing you don't stop. You know they go street again, go as the children. You know what did they happen? You don't stop. Continue with this thing. Not stop like that. We like her. People are willing to help. I say, Papa, we are there for the plug. We are there for the go pack sort. So they finish for there. You understand? Allow people to rest. You understand? And allow people to calm down. Before we have a lot of projects now. People are calling us. So this one get accidents. For me, this one like that. I say, you know how many calls you receive a day? You know how many calls I receive again? Messages about I will not prepare school for children. This one. I they relax. I they tell they say, hold on, we have not received anything. If we willingly, at times people just call and say, okay, Alpha, take us. Like the one we do mostly now. Not be all of them will post. Obo Alpha, let me visit orphanage home. Obo Alpha, take let me buy things orphanage home. We buy, we send video. We do it, we send video. Most time we put on our foundation page. At times we still put on my page. There is not be all with the post. Some will say I better not post them. Some say not do them. We dey do am low key. But those general ones we dey stop. To the do am. Me I dey stop. Because now people most times when you present issue like this, you get some people when the thing will touch their body, when they're supposed to do other things, they go bring them out say, I beg, they support this person. But we allow people to do what we don't present issue all the time. So that people not go call the fee say, now this thing, this guy I tell they leave, oh, now this thing, this guy I tell they still join, oh, now this guy I tell they survive, oh, you understand? Because most times, if we go outside and go help children, go help people, now they end up put my money.
Okay, that was what I said before.
At the end up put my money because one, maybe we'll go give out to children for street now. Children go gather this now. What you give now? You don't finish now. And you see another one. You go give. Let's say we go community now, go assist women, go assist aged people. Because you want to make it go touch you. You go pay hospital bills now. As I reach there now, this one, before you go now, somebody give you, okay, take 100K, go pay hospital bills. As you reach there now, this one 40, 50, 100, 80. Okay, so okay, inside this 180 now, take 30, you take 40. Before you know now, one person will hear say that they pay bill for those people there. You work out consider so you don't pay, but you don't get money to pay this one. You don't need to finish. We the end up spend our money join. Do you understand? This thing is for God. That is the reason why you see a lot of people, they still trust me. A lot of persons trust me. Because if I do, I'm in don't be say take blind spot. You don't know how they take spend them. You don't know how they take go. You understand? Anything you give, you want a video to it. We'll make the video and show it to you.
Okay, without showing it to the audience.
You know how many? No. Do you know how many giveaway we have done? How many reach outs we have done? We don't show. I better not show. Not call my name. Not show. Just any distributor. Take this money. Any distributor. But not upload them. I beg. Now what did God say? Man, do with that. And they see it when I want to with that.
Recently, now it could be like say the charity work now call your money for Benin, unlike the way it was before. Few people started it. You know, but now many people charity here, charity for me this one. So how can we address your whole foundation? So what's the name of your foundation?
My foundation is MC Alamanos Foundation, okay. And it's the reaching out to people in rural area, the poor in rural areas. And inside that foundation, we have different programs. We have helping hands for people who need help. Like people who want to learn work, want to be an apprentice and learn their work, and that is the Helping Hand segment in the Alamanos Foundation. Skill acquisition, we help people you register their learn work. Like we have put over 3 to 4, 5 persons now. Some of them will soon finish. One of them are finished, tailor. We bought machine for 3, tailor. One is into hairdressing. Like that, with the help of my sponsors. Then we have to take a child of the street program inside the MC Alamanos Foundation. We go to the street, we distribute money for children walking on the streets. So people watch.
I've witnessed this.
People will now watch and say, so child, help me to give this child again so money. Okay, so child, I want to help this child. So we have removed some children away from the street like that. We have put some children in schools. We have paid bills. We have set up business for their mothers. I don't know if you understand. From there. Okay. So there are this is a sharing of palliative too.
Not the government. Oh.
No.
Okay.
During lockdown.
Okay.
And we were doing that during lockdown. Okay. Sharing of palliative, food items and all that. You understand? Food items and all that. And cash. We give cash out. We share for rural areas to the people when need that, for community. When need that, where you go for see mothers, people see this mothers, farmers and all that. Then inside that MC Alamanos Foundation, we also have help me feed the orphans. You understand? We reach out to that, we still do till date. Presently now, I go have orphans to visit almost every week. We go have take this one, buy something for the orphans. Take this one, buy something for the orphans. Most of you understand. We do that. If you can't reach the orphans, You meet me, we help you reach out to the orphans. When we get them, what you ask us to get there. Some bring cash, we give them. Some bring money, help us buy things. It's my birthday. I want to reach out to the orphans. We do that, then we send video to them. Yes, that's the reason why you see my foundation. People still trust the foundation because it's like a show glass.
Son of the soil, we are not back again.
When I really because I thought the one I said this guy is cool. Let's make some noise for the brother, my friend, so Christian.
Is super fierce with a mic. He's super fiery with a conversation.
Yeah, we no Nissan, me no hoy. Go in to yere or tin or you with value.
He is the master of ceremony, one of Benin finest, the citizen.
All right, people, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son, you know.
But no, today is calling my phone and I'm on top of it.
Don't waste card finish you.
Book him now for your event. Is it a birthday party? Is it a wedding ceremony? Is it a burial event? Do you want it in English or do you want it in a dual language? He is ready to make that your event a funniest one. Gorilla Multimedia is also into event planning and they offer fantastic tap DJ service to give that your event a bubbly nature. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
It's obvious that you married.
Yes, nah.
With
My
kids?
family with that. Nah. Yes, nah. 3 guests. Nah. You know, you did that. I work for you.
Madam, they with you.
Nah,
One thing
nah,
that to
nah,
marry.
nah, wait.
Someday you go call them or Sunday I beg. I want snap
Nah,
for Facebook.
nah,
Or
wait
snap
till
for
they-
behind
nah,
of
wait
your
till-
children.
I
So-
paid and I paid in full. Nah, sure. Nah,
Wow.
for you.
Legally married.
Nah, you did talk about this one.
Chop no cool, bro. But now let's come back to the business. So, Baba, I believe challenges is inevitable as far as entertainment is concerned.
True.
So, what has been your challenges so far?
You now get anything when the challenge person pass money now.
Now, only money be the challenges.
See, if you are a brand, you are a brand. Promotion of a brand require money, entertainment.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But thank God, say we dey fit meet up.
On behalf of
Yes,
say the low
because
funds and all.
because sponsorship matters a lot. Area where there is no sponsor, you need money to sponsor it yourself. You understand? Area where you cannot sponsor, you need money to sponsor it yourself. You need team. You need a team. You need to sponsor your team. You need to service your team. You understand? Like you when they work here now. If person don't carry camera, carry banner, everything follow you for like 1 year, you not getting anything for inside. You go to get second thought now.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, and in Benin here, we need the brand, many brands to sponsor, never many like that. Do
That is the challenge.
now I tell you just now, support for brand sponsorship never really dey way like that, but it don't dey because they don't believe our brand.
Okay.
And those people brand when they sponsor now personal brand, not be just those huge and big brand. Now we dey try let most people know for this Benin say you can come in and it will affect your business in a good way. You understand? It will turn out positively effect on your business.
Okay.
You understand? When you sponsor us. Now we got to try to tell someone, they don't try pull heads small. So now when brand sponsor, you say, okay, take. You get your thing, get your this thing, get your location. You know, we pay for location, we pay for shooting, we pay for editing, we pay for everything, and we never dey get the return like that. Thank God say we be comedian. No? Say our events when we dey get, now we take the buckle up, now we take the tiding, now we take the meet up, now be the written event when we dey get shows, birthday, MC, and adverts. You understand? People they always ask us, Baba, because after we don't dirty, should do everything finish, we don't do everything finish, we'll still look good come out.
Yeah.
Just not be waiting at your watch. Just this guy they make money. Now most of the people they mistake am. Say we they use all those our other people charity this and that. I say look at this people not be so. At times those videos when they watch, we they shoot them down. Other chances when we get now for our shows. Events, different kind of events when we get. You understand so? Event. People when they watch us. The next thing when they release now, anytime I want to, as long as this guy be MC. And the person don't be your fan already. Anything we want to be concerned MC, now you go call. And if he call you, he go pay you. Person want to advert on your page, he go pay. You understand? So a lot of things. Imagine you they say God one, you get and clear for 1 week. Now block now.
Na block.
I don't understand.
It must not be that broad.
So now block. So you don't need to do. So if you get and clear like that, you they look good, everything go the day. You understand? So most times when I tell you the challenges now still sponsorship and money. Sponsorship mostly challenges when they get around for being here. Now that sponsorship and partnership. It never the day the way it's supposed to be. So as you not day the way it's supposed to be, so we need to spend more money. You understand? So and the way we've forgotten spending more money, put no we take the get time for other content. You understand? Not that God can do and say 1 or 2 courses workouts. The way we take workout. So now body we take to do the work. And the way we take this our body do the work, so the thing never they come with our body like that. So we just pray to God. He go they come. So now the challenge with that, sponsorship of brands and finance.
You as an Alamano, which kind of sponsor you seek? The one when they say they will give you, get capital back, or still they expect profit, or if somebody want just give you, now to support the ministry. So which kind of sponsorship we really need here in Benin?
The sponsorship we need here in Benin, all those ones we mentioned, so we need it. Now, if you are putting in and you are expecting return, that is to say they are not, you don't have a brand to be promoted. Normally for sponsorship. If you are putting in and you dey expect return, and you dey expect profit, if you are putting you are expecting return, good. You are putting
that
in,
is a pure business.
A pure businessman. You are putting in and you are expecting return with profit. And a money lender, I borrow you money, say do one. Not be a sponsor. That. He borrow you money, do this thing. Now business. Not be that. If not sponsorship, okay, I won't give you this money. As they do this show, see what they do. You understand? Gorilla TV. Now they go handle the red carpet. Now they go interview the whole artist, so the whole artist go come their program and everything. So you are investing that money to shoot your brand. In a way you don't expect return. That's the reason why you need to now know what you will give to sell your brand. You understand? So if you say, okay, some people can decide to say, I like this guy and I believe say this guy, he get talent, he need to grow. I want to invest in this boy's career.
Generally, sir, your advice for them all?
Actually, my advice to everybody is that you need to follow the trend in this comedy industry. Follow the trend that says that you need to be exceptional. There must be something unique about you. People need to see something that they are not seeing other people. And if you check every other comedians or social media content creator, when they go viral, they always create something exceptional, what people never see before. Now, waiting go feel make you break through. Now, waiting go feel make you blow. If you follow, like say, this guy do this thing, let me follow up with this guy. They go see they go that guy, say, that guy don't pass you.
Original photography.
They say, he dey try you, but this guy,
now we know. Original,
now we know. People, person when you sit down for us to talk most time they hard, but to type that comment,
they hard.
They hard. Boy, this thing, this guy don't do it before now. If you talk, I don't work out going on. You know, go see. And so you need to be exceptional. You need to be you need to have self-conceptualization. You need to get your own concept. Think of what person never do before. Because I don't watch and say most of my videos when they go viral, now the one when I know they will put eye. And if you say this video like that Nepal skit. When I do. And that slap on most of I don't some my video where don't pick one time. Now the one I know they will put who want they listen to old man, who want the all those kind of matter, who want the normal slap. Anyway, man, you put up you go just because they never see that kind of aspect or say you go vanish Nepal, go come out for another place. You understand? So that's so it be. So this is my advice. follow trend. As a day social media, so day Instagram, day YouTube. When you pack your things, go there, they do your thing. If you see here saying now Twitter I did now, pack your things. Go to Twitter. I did it. Oh, you don't go to TikTok, oh, pack your things. Go that TikTok. You understand? And so it be. Because you see, and I say some people they don't be comedian. But they get huge followers for Facebook. Because they started it when they post people content, small funny video for their thing. You understand? Because they first discover Facebook, they quick enter.
Yeah.
So anywhere you hear say now here that they put video now, pack your things, go there, they put video there. Anyway, you say that for the crash joke now, okay, this one is the new pattern of stage setting of jokes as a stand-up comedian. Okay, see the way they tell you entertain now. Now the new pattern be this now. And now your pattern, oh, okay, see the way people tell you do their whole show now. As a comedian now, see the level of, okay, this one not doing, this one not doing. Anything that may over 5 people don't do the thing. Find your own pattern to change the 5 people own pattern of joke, pattern of dressing, like this. You need to be exceptional. You need to be different. You know, like we take from history to make history. Just collect, change them, dice them, join them together. Do your thing. You must come out. But when you follow people back, as far as person dey your front, nobody, the person wey dey your front no fit see you. Now who dey your back front they go dey see. Not that they come up for person bad, they will see you. So follow trend. The way the entertainment industry is going, that is the reason I'm saying follow trend. Follow the trend. You understand? Anywhere the market go there. Anywhere the market go there. But do something unique in order to sprint out, to spring up. Something we never see before.
All right, people. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, the world at large. Still your boy, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son, you know. Still with a box himself. When I mean a box, I believe you don't need any confirmation to know that I am referring to box in the game. A man who has made a serious mark in the movie industry, in the skit industry, in the comedy industry, even in the coven. You don't make man. Still with MC Alamano Box. It's nice having you here. You know, say we know the time of service your wife, we know that they shake. And no combination. Respect, bro.